Hi. There's a noise in our chimney, and I have the flue closed, and it's been closed, but I moved it a little bit, and I think there's an animal stuck there. So we have this turkey pan and a lid, and we're gonna catch it.
Terrible idea.
Come around over here and you can see.
I don't think so.
Okay, so the plan is, it's up here in the flue, right up there. Can you hear it? Bro, stop moving. So there's a bucket here, and I have a lid, and then I'm gonna hold the lid right here, and then I'm gonna dump it and then top it. Ready? 1, 2. This is so stupid. 3. Oh!
Watch out!
We have a bird in our house. Okay, so okay, there you go that way. He's trying to get out the
Oh, the back
window.
door's open. I left it open.
Okay. It's right here. Wrong window, bird. He's a little stunned. Anna, go get a broom. It's not gonna kill you.
Well, I got a 3-year-old with me here.
She's okay. It's just a little bird. He's a little one.
See?
He's right here in our house, and he's a little dusty. So open that door up a little bit wider over there.
Here, Birdie. I don't want you to come at us.
Close your... Is this humane? I think so. Okay. No. We're gonna go back here a little bit. Well. Where'd that bucket go?
Why don't we could just open that window and push the screen out? Okay, Birdie.
All right, buddy.
There!
you go.
Woohoo!
He's free. Go wrong.
I see him. He's on the fence.
Stay out.